Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. One.
Number 3.
All right.
Sometimes these blonde people do.
My mom does too. That's what she likes that guy.
Hello, and welcome to Soarin Over California. My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
All right, my friends, number 3, you're going to follow me in. Number 2, you're going to follow left.
Soarin Over California is now ready for immediate boarding. All passengers in Gate A may now proceed to the aircraft.
I would first, doesn't it?
This here?
Number 2, that's fine.
Okay.
I run number 2. I'll be down the left.
Oh, this is interesting.
1, 2, 3. Yes, that's it.
There's a do not occupy next to me. That's a,
Noticed that there were fewer seats in this room.
yeah.
That's weird, huh?
I thought they were all the same.
If I have to put these in, it's great.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
So I was so excited to do that. Yeah, and it was very, I'm grateful to get it was wonderful. So that's the smoothest time. Oh, yeah, yeah.
California with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the end seat compartment and exit to your right.